Marvel's Spidey characters in real life. Spin. Spin in real life. Ghost Spider. Ghost Spider in real life. Spidey. Spidey in real life. Iron Man. Iron Man in real life. Green Goblin. Green Goblin in real life. Black Panther. Black Panther in real life. Black Cat. Black Cat in real life. The Thing. The Thing in real life. Ms. Marvel. Ms. Marvel in real life. Rhino. Rhino in real life. Aunt May. Aunt May in real life. Doc Ock. Doc Ock in real life. Hulk. Hulk in real life. Trapster. Trapster in real life. Lizard. Lizard in real life. Electro. Electro in real life. Sandman. Sandman in real life. Zola. Zola in real life. Guess the characters by their body parts. Let's go! Can you guess the character? That's right. It's Spidey.
Hang on! We'll save you! I'll steady the top with my web. Rhino really needs to cool off. Maybe he'd like a snow cone.
What about this one? That's correct. Option C is the correct answer.
You steal from a library. You can borrow the books for free. Right, with my cloaking power. No! Look! That room with the light on is my favorite in the...
Can you spot the odd one out? This one is odd from the rest. Guess this one. That's right. It's Ghost Spider.
We have to stop Squishy. She can accidentally crush it. Hang on, Spidey. I'm coming for you. Whoa! And she's really strong. Ouch, Squishy.
What do you think? That's correct. It's Iron Man.
Suit, stop!
What?
She got away. She is one sneaky kitty cat, isn't she?
Suit, fly!
Can you spot the odd one out? This one is odd from the rest. Here is another one for you. That's right. Option A is the correct answer.
It's so pretty.
Ben?
Which character do you think this is? That's correct. It's Black Panther.
A cone of snow? Interesting. My height and hearing is picking up sounds of trouble.
I'm happy.
We must stop him.
Go web.
Can you spot the odd one out? This one is odd from the rest. What do you think? That's right. It's Green Goblin.
This story about the Pumpkin King will tell me how to find it. As I figure out where it's hidden, I will be unstoppable!
Can you guess the character? That's correct. It's the Thing.
It's swimming time! No chess piece yet. Wait! I see something green. That's gotta be it!
Can you spot the odd one out? This one is odd from the rest. Which character is this? That's right. It's Ms. Marvel.
Gobby's weather's getting worse and worse. It's ruining all. That's not a good idea, Gobby. You'll make even bigger. That's a monster snowstorm.
Here is a tricky one. That's correct. It's Hulk.
Welcome to my hangout. What do you think? Isn't it great?
Look at this place.
This part here is my superhero training area.
Can you spot the odd one out? This one is odd from the rest. Only a genius can get this one. That's right. Option B is the correct answer.
Quick, he needs our help. Go, let's go! Look at the design. 8 tentacles to hold. What are we waiting for? Let's go!
What about this one? That's correct. It's Electro.
Give me all the electricity you can be! More!
Can you spot the odd one out? This one is odd from the rest. Guess this one. That's right. It's Ant-Man.
Hey there! No problem. I can talk with ants. Right, buddy? What was that about? I'm Ant-Man.
Can you guess the character? That's right. It's Rhino.
Rhino, right through! Never!
Can you spot the odd one out? This one is odd from the rest. Here is another one for you. That's right. Option A is the correct answer.
Geckos! Team Spidey, I must make my escape! My getaway bug got away without me! Drats, Team Spidey!
Which character do you think this is? That's correct. It's Arnim Zola.
Spidey and the Thing. What are they?
What? Me too. To Mrs. Moriyama?
Guess the characters by squinting your eyes. Let's go! Can you guess the character? That's correct. It's Ghost Spider.
Uh-oh! All of the slime is making my engine melt! Thanks, guys! We just need a plan for all three of us to work together on...
What about this one? That's right. It's Green Goblin.
They'll have to try harder than this. I don't think so.
Can you spot the odd one out? This one is odd from the rest. What do you think? Excellent work. It's Spin.
Oh, still no! It's super slick. This has got to be the work of Doc Ock. Hey,
Guess this one. Great job. It's Electro.
yeah, run away, everyone. Place, all I have to do is jam my Electro Zola.
Can you spot the odd one out? This one is odd from the rest. Here's another one for you. Brilliant answer. It's Spidey.
My hot day 3-step plan. 1. Cool breeze. I'll sneak in from up high before she springs another evil invention on the city.
Which character do you think this is? That's correct. It's Black Panther.
But I have never been to such a park. Good idea. Let's catch him. How did you learn, Rhino? Do not take what is not yours.
Can you spot the odd one out? This one is odd from the rest. Can you guess the character? That's right, it's Iron Man.
And we could rescue her and get rid of Doc Ock. The force field only covers the top floor of my house.
Here's a tricky one. Excellent work. It's Rhino.
I know, right through, out of my way. Want some back? Here.
Spidey!
Can you spot the odd one out? This one is odd from the rest. Can you guess the character? Great job, it's Hulk.
Got work to do. Where's Doc Ock? Ooh, good. 'Cause I'm ready to smash stuff. Right behind you.
What about this one? Brilliant answer, it's Arnim Zola.
To my programming, my mischief, and my scandal. As you can see on my screen. Zola! La 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 la!
Can you spot the odd one out? This one is odd from the rest. What do you think? That's correct. It's Doc Ock.
Go to my brilliant new device, the Obey Ray. Oh, get comfortable, spiders. Oh, hey, grab Cal on your way.
Guess this one. That's right. It's Black Cat.
This is mine now.
She took my...
And now this shiny statue is mine too.
Can you spot the odd one out? This one is odd from the rest. Here's another one for you. Excellent work. It's Sandman.
Let's knock down your stack of old TVs, too. Uh-oh, time to poof me up. I'm made of sand.
Which character do you think this is? Great job. It's Reptile.
Nature, they can come here and learn all about dinosaurs. Even better with some spidey webs. Yeah, web away. Ooh.
Can you spot the odd one out? This one is odd from the rest. Can you guess the character? Brilliant answer. It's Ant-Man.
Hey there! Want to tell me that his whole family had to wear these helmets that made them do bad? He's wearing some kind of helmet. What's up with that?
What do you think? That's correct. It's Wasp.
Let's go! All right, it's time for us to run it. Look at the design. 8 tentacles.
Marvel's Spidey characters and their favorite snacks. Spidey, Doritos, Spin, Fritos, Ghost Spider, Ruffles, Hulk, Goldfish Cheddar, Iron Man, Pringles, Black Panther, Smart Food, Green Goblin, Cheetos, The Thing, Tostitos, Rhino, Lay's, Mrs. Marvel, Chex Mix, Marvel's Spidey characters and their favorite movies. Spidey, Spider-Man, Spin, Venom, Ghost Spider, Elemental, Hulk, Avengers, Iron Man, Black Panther, Green Goblin, Green Lantern, The Thing, Fantastic Four, Rhino, Animals United, Mrs. Marvel, Wonder Woman, Marvel's Spidey characters and their favorite drinks. Spidey, Mountain Dew, Spin, Big Red, Ghost Spider, Fanta Berry, Hulk, Monster Energy Drink, Iron Man, Dr. Pepper, Black Panther, Coca-Cola Zero, Green Goblin, Zevia, The Thing, Crush, Rhino, Pepsi Zero, Mrs. Marvel, Big Blue. Marvel's Spidey characters and their favorite apps. Spidey, Pinterest, Spin, YouTube, Ghost Spider, Discord, Hulk, Spotify, Iron Man, Netflix, Black Panther, ChatGPT, Green Goblin, WhatsApp, The Thing, Instagram, Rhino, TikTok, Mrs. Marvel, Facebook. Marvel's Spidey characters and their favorite candies. Spidey, Kit Kat, Spin, Twizzlers, Ghost Spider, Oreo, Hulk, Jolly Rancher, Iron Man, Skittles, Black Panther, Mars, Green Goblin, Laffy Taffy, The Thing, M&M's, Rhino, Milky Way, Mrs. Marvel, Twix. Marvel's Spidey characters and their favorite mobile games. Spidey, The Amazing Spider-Man, Spin, Solitaire, Ghost Spider, Magic Tiles, Hulk, Minecraft, Iron Man, Roblox, Black Panther, Shadow Fight, Green Goblin, Subway Surfer, The Thing, Temple Run, Rhino, Call of Duty, Mrs. Marvel, Candy Crush. Marvel's Spidey characters and their favorite fruits. Spidey, cherries, Spin, watermelon, Ghost Spider, blueberries, Hulk, apple, Iron Man, strawberries, Black Panther, blackberries, Green Goblin, guava, The Thing, papaya, Rhino, fig fruit, Mrs. Marvel, raspberries. Marvel's Spidey characters and their favorite desserts. Spidey, red velvet cake, Spin, biscuits, Ghost Spider, blue velvet cake, Hulk, green velvet cake, Iron Man, donuts, Black Panther, Black Forest cake, Green Goblin, cookies, The Thing, cheesecake, Rhino, chocolate cake, Mrs. Marvel, waffles. Marvel's Spidey characters and their biggest fears. Spidey. Someone being injured. Spin. Unable to save someone. Ghost, Spider. Letting down her legacy. Hulk. Losing control. Iron Man. Losing his technology. Black Panther. Death. Green Goblin. Ruining his image. The Thing. Being bullied. Rhino. Being seen as a fool. Mrs. Marvel. Revealing her identity. Marvel's Spidey characters and their favorite foods. Spidey. Pizza. Spin. Hamburger. Ghost, Spider. Lobster. Hulk. Salads. Iron Man. Steak. Black Panther. Hot dog. Green Goblin. Vegetables. The Thing. Buffalo wings. Rhino. Barbecue ribs. Mrs. Marvel. Meatloaf.